Hello my students, grade 5, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 4 from Math Questions Bank الدقهليه government. Number 1, choose the correct answer. The smallest like numerator of 2 over 5 and 1 over 2 equal 10. Because 10 can divide by 2 and 5, and 5 is prime number. Prime number has only 2 factors, can divide it by itself and 1 only. 9 minus m equal 5 and 3 over 10, then the value of m equals space. We called in here subtrahend. To find subtrahend, we can find the difference between median and the difference. 9 subtract by m equal 9 subtract by 5 and 3 over 10. To find the value of m, you must convert 9 here to whole number 8 and 1 equal 10 over 10. Subtract 5 and 3 over 10. 8 minus 5 equal 3 and 10 minus 3 equals 7. It will be m equals 3 and 7 over 10. Choose letter C. Question number 3 here. 4 times 1 over 3 equal 4 over 3. 4 over 3, it will be 1 and 1 over 3. Convert from improper to mixed number. Write 1 here outside because 4 divided by 3 equal 1 and remainder 1. Letter C. Question number 4. 11 over 12 times 11 over 12 and 11 over 12. Who can tell me the result? We know 11 over 12, we can cancel it by left hand side and right hand side. Then 11 over 12, it will be greater than. Look at here, my students, it's very easy for you this method. Look at here, 11 over 12 times 11 over 12, or 11 over 12. 11 12, it's meaning multiplication by 1. You can cancel this number by this number, then 1 will be greater than. So 11 over 12 is less than 1. The polygon formed from the 3 sides is called space. 3 sides is called triangle. We call it triangle. Rectangle has 2 axes of symmetry. Circular degree of match. Fraction of the circle shaded part here. 1 over what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 over 1 over 6, or 6 is multiplication by 360 equals 60 degree. The estimation of 3 over 8 plus 5 over 6 is half is called space estimation, underestimation or overestimation. Look at here, 3 over 8 plus 5 over 6. We can find the least common multiplication between them equal what? Equal 24. 3 times of 24 equal times 8 24. 3 times 3 equal 9. 4 times 6 24. 4 times 5 equal 20. Result will be 29 over 24. It's actual number, and we must combine between half and 29 over 24. 29 over 24, it will be greater than, so it will be underestimation, because the estimation here less than the actual number, because 29 over 24 is greater than 1 and greater than half. So this is called underestimation. It's called what? Underestimation. Write this word here, under. Write this under, okay? Under, U-N-D-E-R, underestimation. Question number 2. To find the value of the inequation d plus 2 and 5 over 7 equal 8 and 1 over 6, we use the here subtraction. To find the result, we can use the here subtraction. Equal subtraction operation. If 4 over 13 times a half equal 2 over 13, then 4 over 13 times 1 and a half equal space. We can find the result by using distributive properties about 4 and 13. 4 over 13 times 1 and half. We can write 4 over 13 multiplication by 1 and 4 over 13 times half. We know 4 over 13 times 1 equal 4 over 13, and he give us a result about 4 over 13 times half equal 2 over 13. He gives this result in the example here, okay? He gives this result here, and you can add them. 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 13 in the numerator. This will be 6 over 13. Write 24 over 5 as in the mixed number. 24 can divide it by 5 or not. We can divide it because it's improper. Here 24 divided 5. Write 5 in the numerator. 4 times 5 equal 20 and the remainder 4. The triangle with equal sides is called space, called isosceles triangle or equilateral. With equal sides, equilateral. All sides equal lengths, equilateral. Equilateral triangle. It's question number 5. Okay, right here, equilateral. In the order pair 5 and 7, x coordinate is 5, right? 5 here. The cone has one vertices. It's cone. We called it what? Cone. Cone has one vertices. The friction which present shaded part here, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many parts again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 over 11. Right? 1 over 11 here. It's the friction of present part right here, 1 over 11. The friction 2 over 10 is benchmarked by 0. Because 2 is less than half of 10. Half of 10 equal 5. And 2 raised to 0. We will use 0. 2 and 1 over 7 plus 4 and 5 are 7. We can add them, right? 7 in the numerator and add numerator by numerator. The result will be here 2 and 1 over 7 plus 4 and 5 over 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6 and right 7 in the numerator, 5 plus 1 equals 6. Right, 6 and 6 over 7. 7 divided 1 over 4. Write 7 here, multiplication, convert from division to multiplication, and write the inverse about fraction here, 4, the result will be 28. Letter A. From the script, the object figure has 4 equal sides, no, has only pair parallel sides. Yes, it's trapezium. Trapezium or trapezium has only pair of parallel sides. The division problem that expresses the following situation: 5 orange shared by 7 students, it will be 5 divided by 7. From opposite number lines, the distance between t and k, here t and k. T, it will be 1.5 and k equal 3. T here 1.5 and k equal 3. The difference between them, 3 minus 1.5, it will be 1.5. The result will be 1.5. Letter D. The volume of the object figure, we can count all cube. You must count all cube here to find the volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 cube here. The volume will be 10. Okay. Answer the following question. Ibrahim has 3 over 4 liter, 3/4 liter of juice, and he drank 2 over 6 liter of it. How many liters are left from the juice? We can find the difference between them to find the result. 3 over 4 subtract by 2 over 6. We can find the least common multiplication between two numerators here, or you can sample this fraction and then find the least common multiplication as like 3 over 4 subtract by 2 over 6. You can divide it by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. And we have two numerator here difference. We must find the least common multiplication between them equal 12. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 1 times 4 equal 4. 9 minus 4 equal 5. 5 over 12. The result will be 5 over 12 liters. Question A, B. Nermin bought 5 notebooks. The price of notebook is £2.5. What's the total amount that Nermin paid? Nermin paid 5 multiplication by 2.5 because she paid the price of one notebook £2.5. The total number that Nermin paid will be 5 multiplication by 2.5. We can write 5 here and write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. And 5 times 5 equal 25. 25 divided by 2, we can convert it from improper to mixed number. Right? 2 here, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 5 divided by 2 equal 2, and the remainder 1. So Nermin paid 12.5 pounds. 12.5 pounds. Again, 5 2.5. We must convert first from mixed number to improper, right? 2 in the numerator, 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 divided by 2, it will be 12.5 pounds. It's the price of all naughty book which she paid. Omar owns a car park. The parking length is 3 km and width 2.5 km. What is the area of the parking? The area equal length times width, because the parking is rectangle. Length and width, because the area of rectangle equal length multiplication by width. The length here equal 3 and width 2.5 km. Confirm the area, write 3 and convert from mixed number to improper. Write 2 in the numerator, 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5, and 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 divided by 2, you can convert it from improper to mixed number. Be 2 here. 15 divided by 2 equal what? 2 times 7 equal 14, and the remainder 1. Then 15 divided by 2 equal 7.5, and unit here will be kilometer power 2 or square kilometer. The volume of the exact figure here equals space. We have here complex shape here, volume 1 and volume 2, and then add some of them. Look at here, we have in the down here length and width and height, so we must write volume 1 and volume 2, and then find volume 1 and volume 2, 8 of them. Volume 1, length times width times height, 10 multiplication by 3 multiplication by 2 here, and the second here length and width and height, 10 minus 5 equal 5. Then side here equal 5. Length and width here equal 3, and height here equal 4. It will be what? 10 times 3, 30 times 2 equals 60 centimeter, and 5 times 3 times 4, 3 times 4, 12 times 5 equals 60 square centimeter. Cubic centimeter is the volume. 10 times 3 times 2 equals 60 cubic centimeter, and 5 times 3 times 4 equals 60 cubic centimeters. In volume 1 plus volume 2, we must add them. 60 plus 60 equal 120 cubic centimeter. Again, look at here with me. 10 times 3 times 2 equals 60, and here 10 times here this length here 10 minus 5, it's 5. Okay, look at with me, I will clear it here. It's 5 centimeters. This side it will be 5. 10 minus 5 equal 5. This 5. 5 times 3 times 4, it will be 60. Then the volume will be 100 cubic centimeter. It's the end of the question. Goodbye.